the bowl on.
Why'd you have like a British accent there for a second? So we're going to take off.
We're going to take off the bowl. Going to take off the bowl on this carburetor here. This is the bowl, if you don't know. 4 screws on it. Very simple, yeah? Right there, you cunt.
Excuse the wind, I had massive gas, so it's just blowing through here.
That was funny, bro. That was hilarious.
Oh, thank you.
This is a main jet. This is your main jet right here. And in here, there's a pilot. We're going to change that to a 130. Oh!
Did that really work?
I guess it did. That's so proud
of. Okay. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, we're going to be doing some modifications to the go-kart. We're going to be taking some edging that you put in your garden, and we're going to make a spoiler. We're going to make a spoiler and possibly a lip. I think it'd be cool. We think it'd be cool. It might look kind of goofy, but...
We've already semi-mocked it up and it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, but we've got some, I guess, mild steel rod here, and that's what we're going to use. This one down here by Austin's feet, we're going to cut that one up. That's going to be the spoiler, and then this smaller piece over here is probably going to be the lip. All right, Austin. He keeps shitting himself, and it's disgusting. It smells like ass. We're going to show you what it looks like mocked up. That's kind of what it's going to look like. Probably going to put a little bit of a tilt to it, and it's going to be a little bit higher. I think it looks pretty sick. And we'll cut it. It's about the right size. We don't want to use this one because it's got these cutouts right here.
Looking, yeah.
You don't have these, but I think these will look cool. These on it. That's extra downforce.
Yeah.
But we'll probably cut it somewhere right here in the middle. Pretty much. Docking. Beep, 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 beep. We have a solution here with the coronavirus, okay? No handshakes, no hugs. You go up to your homie and you start docking like this. See, if it's not making this noise, your homie don't love you like that.
But I never drew friendship.
Is it loud?
I don't know. I just know that took way too long if it is loud.
Where did the blade go?
It hit my foot.
That'd be our side skirts.
Fuck.
And we're gonna do something like this right here, where we're just gonna clean it up, hit it with a rotary disc, and then tack it on.
But I think you can get another disc.
I'll have another disc.
Bro, I'm gonna give me something to eat at Sheets. That's what I'm gonna do.
You just ate a Big Mac.
So?
Close your eyes.
Yep. we can get it even, it's kind of dope as hell.
You can get a level out of there, and we could see if it's level. What do you think about the angle, though?
I don't know, you go look.
Oh yeah, man. Me likey. It's all right. Maybe a little bit more angle on it, maybe. Okay, so I've actually put a bit of a bend in this to give it that kind of tilted look, and also going to put on a bit of bracing, something like this. It's going to make a little Y out of that on both sides. That is why you should grind off both sides. Breathing that in is very toxic, and I'm sure that's giving me cancer. So we're gonna test fit these up. Then I have this right here that we can cut up and use as extra structure for when it goes on this bad boy. All right, so we've done a nice primer coat here. Honestly, kind of digging this color, it's kind of sick. Go ahead and paint it matte black. I think matte would look cool, and probably put a white stripe right there. I'm leaving the bottom unpainted because I'm gonna have to grind that off anyways, and I wanted to go ahead and paint it so I didn't get any paint anywhere else on the actual go-kart. I had to put the primer on pretty heavy around places where I welded it because obviously it burned the paint through, and I don't want it to have a lip, so I sanded that down, and hopefully it kind of builds up a little layer and you won't be able to see it, but only one way to find out. See, the wing turned out pretty good, except for those spots. Showed up pretty bad, but we are going to clean these up, stick it on the cart, try to make it as even as possible. Now, this is going to be a very difficult job to do with one person. Unfortunately, I'm by myself, like always. We're going to try to get it done. I'm gonna try my best to hold everything and tack it in. Hopefully it goes in the right direction. There is a gas line right there, so it's kind of retarded to weld with this without taking that off, but fuck it, I guess. Working in sweatpants because it's COVID-19 and I don't give a shit. Haven't taken a shower in 6 days. No, I'm just kidding. Roll it out into the sunlight so we can see. Well, it's not bad. Probably isn't the most even thing in the world. And it's very, 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 very shaky. Just getting out of the shower, doing a little helicopter motion, you know? That's why we have these bad boys. This has a real sturdy brace. Put in a brace here. And then I put in a very small brace here to help with the back and forth movement on that. And then another one right there. Well, I could probably take that off and move it up just a little bit, but I don't want it to get in the way of this. I'm gonna go get some more round stock, probably brace from here to here. This thing looks so ridiculous, but I love it. I took it for a little quick spin just to kind of see how much it would shake, and once you get up to speed, it's actually really steady. So, you know, that means we're getting hella downforce. Took some white paint and gave it a stripe. I was using these wheel chucks as a cutoff, which really gave it a dope effect. Yeah, just use my eyeballs like I always do. Until tomorrow, and I can get some more round stock, then we'll work on it some more. All right, so we're gonna do some more bracing of this thing because it's floppy like a wiener. I picked up some angle iron, another round stock here. I'm probably gonna put this right here. We are going to take this angle iron here and we're going to put it on the back of this like so, and just tack it on there, and then I'll give it some more stability. It looks pretty good. Just gotta clean the paint off of this. Now that I think about it, I probably should have just not painted this part at all. But I didn't think I'd have to brace it so much. But I'm not going to weld it up yet. I'm going to go ahead and cut those out to size. And then put on pants. Because I've learned my lesson. When it comes to welding with shorts on. Because it burnt the fuck out of myself. Well, here we go. I'm dressed up properly this time because I don't want to fucking catch on fire. Caught on fire twice. Now we're just going to tack this in place along that rod. That bracing on this U part of the frame is actually fucking it up a little bit, but who cares? Pretty sure I've breathed in like 16,000 hours of cancer from burning paint fumes. And I have a slight headache, but here she is. Look how sturdy. That's beautiful. Beautiful. And that's harder than my... And we'll cover up the shitty weld. We'll give it a little paint job as well after clean it all up, but it's pretty good. Next thing we're about to do is take off this shitty gas tank that I made. Time to get rid of this temporary solution. Now, as for the gas tank situation, of course, it was mounted here awfully. Probably gonna move it down here and make a kind of pedestal for it using the angle iron scraps, just like that. 2 of them. Then we can drill a hole into this. That's gonna go like that. Baba booey.
Baba booey.
Baba Yui.
Baba booey.
Baba booey.
Lube up.
Lube it up. You just had to shit yourself. I think I was having this problem with the last one.
It's at least windy outside.
Yeah, and the wind is blowing in here. Jesus. Dude, maybe I have corona.
I mean, you weren't coughing like this inside. I think it's the pollen. Because I was inside. Bro, don't turn into a zombie, please.
It's like eating my throat. I was like, pop.
Get a drink. Go get some water, bro.
I just lubricating my throat.
Just look at that. What the hell is this hooligan doing? Ah, I swear. Oh, shit. Oh, he's gonna fucking kill somebody.
I don't know why it does that. Dude, that last pull that I did coming up the street, Oh my God, full power.
Yeah.
On that last run, and it was just digging. Like, it was just digging. I don't know why it keeps doing that though. Now, my guess why it keeps doing that is because I have the gas cap painted. I don't think it's getting an evap. It's probably creating a vacuum within the line so it's not flowing. That would be my guess. And matter of fact, we can try that out with a 79cc gas tank. Yeah, it cut. It's weird how it does it. I know it has gas in it. Look at this clean ass go-kart, Ricer style. God damn. Hey, don't hit my E60.
He says I'm about to pull the tire up. Okay, buddy. Fade into the sky. Okay, I'm just fucking, okay, I'm done.